coaching thought for the day. Let's talk about planning time. So teachers get planning time most of the time every day. Sometimes there are different situations where they don't, but for the most part, teachers get it every day. Instructional coaching. When I first came into this role, I really struggled initially with how to set up my scheduling. How do I set up my scheduling for meeting with teachers? That sort of thing. I did not consider giving myself time for planning. That's something that I try and do now. However, I was prompted to make this video today because I was reminded I haven't been doing a good job of that lately. But as an instructional coach, you need to make time for yourself to have planning time. I typically, before big meetings and things, I will schedule time for myself to meet with myself and get my things ready for an upcoming meeting. However, today I was reminded I just needed a few hours in my schedule that weren't already taken with meetings and things so that I could do a big planning session for myself and just kind of work through a lot of stuff that needed to be done, working through emails, working through future plans, all that sort of stuff. So as an instructional coach, I just want to encourage you, make sure that you take time for your own planning because that's really important. And also, you shouldn't feel guilty for that. Get rid of that guilt. You need it.